question says, Shalom Kabbalah. I would like to know if working as a nurse is considered a permissible form of employment.
Nurse?
Thank you.
Yeah, there's no problem whatsoever. To be no nurse, how about doctor? Doctor, there is no problem. There are people who male nurse. There is no problem. Of course, I mean, they have to learn the laws, how like SNEERS and all of the other like medical laws, like not overdo it, but otherwise there is no problem. Okay, go ahead.
Sorry, Rabbi. I believe this question was made by a woman, so I don't know how does this apply to a
yeah. There's no problem whatsoever. No problem.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.